What's up guys, it's Joe from WHR Marketing, and today we're going to be looking at one of the best tools to find winning products, Pexda. So let's start with the features. Pexda prides itself on having the best new winning products every day. Find new winners with only a few clicks, and don't waste money on products, or I would say don't even waste your time. Okay, so with Pexda you can find those winners without wasting your time or money. Proven Facebook ad copy for your inspiration, so you're going to be able to see the Facebook ads that are working for entrepreneurs like you and me. Discover hot products before they go viral. Imagine being the first store to sell fidget spinners. Imagine that profit that you would have brought in. And Pexda provides targeted audiences that convert. Now let's have a look at the pricing. Now when we talk about pricing v features, I would recommend starting with the premium plan, as it gives you that 3-day edge over the standard plan on finding new winning products. Okay, and those 3 days could be crucial. Okay, when you have that 3-day advantage, it means you're going to be able to put those ads out there to the audiences before your competitors who might have the standard plan. Okay, so for me, I would recommend start with the premium plan. Okay, and if you sign up using the link in the description, you'll be able to get 50% off any plan for a limited time only. Now let's go find some products. As you can see, there's some special products available for the ultimate plans. There's lots and lots of premium plan products that you can get. And there are a few standard plan products. If you have a look here, we've got the green, which are untapped winning products. Okay, so those are products that there's not a store linked to those untapped winning products at the moment. And the ones in blue, we can find stores that are linked to those products. Okay, so let's just start with a green. So we'll look at an untapped winning product. So we'll look at long-lasting liquid matte lipstick. So this is an untapped product. Okay, and with Pexda you're going to get a product description, okay, that you will not find on AliExpress. Okay, so you can use this. You're gonna find cleaner images. Okay, so you can use these. They're nice clean images. You can use those for your product pages. Over here with the profits, okay, you're gonna see a selling price. You're gonna see the cost of the product from AliExpress, the shipping cost, and the profit margin. Okay, where it says CPA, those are your ad costs. Okay, so your cost per action is going to cost between $2 to $4. Okay, leaving a net profit of $17 to $19 roughly. Okay, if we scroll down here, we can click the link and it will take us straight to AliExpress where the product will be. Here you'll be able to import it directly into your Shopify store, or if you're using WordPress, I really recommend the Ali Dropship plugin, and I'll put the link in the description. Let's go back to Pexda. So with the AliExpress, you've got the order numbers, you've got the shipping cost, the product rating, and how much feedback that seller has. Going down here, we have some ad copy for you, so we'll take a look at some of the ad copy you can use for your Facebook ads. Looking at the demographics now, so here's the targeting audiences. So these, they say they haven't been tested, but they have come up with some suggestions for you. So targeting 1, they're looking at location being in the US, targeting women between the ages of 18 to 44, and a potential reach of 890,000. And when you look at the detailed targeting, it tells you which interest to include. So over here you want to include lipstick, you'll want to include beauty makeup, benefit cosmetics, and you can have a look what that will look like on Facebook ads. So it will look exactly like this. So that's looking at an untapped product. Now let's look at an already winning product. So if I go back to the product page, here's a blue one. So this is an already winning product. So personalized name necklace. Okay, and with this one, you're going to get the same details over here with profits, the same link to where it is on AliExpress. Okay, you're going to get those ad copies over there. But the difference is you're also going to get a Facebook ad link. So we can look at one of the ads one of our successful competitors have put up on Facebook. So here's the ad. So big sales under $20 with a nice picture or an emoji, free and fast shipping, and it's a lovely video, really clean. Shop now, carry your name. So over here we have all the feedback as well. So what you would want to do is have a look at that ad, think how can you improve the ad copy, how can you improve on the video, check what the feedback is coming from the audience and how can you make that product better. Let's go back. We can also see store selling when it's a already winning product. So let's have a look at one of the stores. Again, it's the same store as the Facebook ad. Looks a really nice clean website. Okay, so have a look at that, think how can you improve on that product description. Okay, have you got your own clean images, okay, and your style to your website. Another tip I want to give you is to use Google Trends when you're using Pexda. So you've got the winning product or the untapped product, you've got the ad copy, you've got the targeted audience. Now you want to see if your product is going to be trending right now. Is it evergreen? Okay, or is it seasonal? So we could have a look at both products we've used today. So if we use the long lasting liquid matte lipstick, so if I typed in lipstick on Google Trends, let's have a look at the trend. We can see the trend is fairly even. Okay, there's not massive spikes. Okay, so that means it's not really seasonal, it's going to be an evergreen product. Whereas if we typed in, let's say, personalized name necklace, so personalized, we can see a massive spike here. So let's have a look. So around November time, so that looks around Christmas time. There we go. So personalized name necklace, so that's probably a product to target just before Christmas. Okay, it will make a fantastic Christmas present, whereas a lipstick is something that women can use every day all year round. To sum up Pexda offers great value. It can save you time by helping you find winning or untapped products. It can save you money by using Pexda's intelligence to drive down ad expenses and maximize your profits. Top tip: buy a sample of any product you are going to sell so you are familiar with what you are selling. From this, you can make your own unique videos to promote your winning product. If not, outsource for a freelance service like Fiverr or make use of some of the ad videos that Pexda provides you. If you have access to your competitors' highly engaging ad copy, look at the text, the video, the comments or feedback and make it better. When it comes to targeting, don't take what Pexda says literally when it comes to demographics. This is where someone who knows how to run paid Facebook ads correctly will dominate their competitors. If you would like a free Facebook ads domination checklist, click the link in the description below. If you would like to read our blog on Pexda, that's also in the description below. Or if you're ready to buy Pexda, click the direct link in the description and you'll be able to get a limited time offer of 50% off your subscription. And remember, there are no contracts with Pexda, so you can cancel at any time. So you're not tied in and you won't lose lots of money if you don't like it. But I'm confident that you're going to love it. Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed our review on how Pexda can save you time and money in finding those winning or untapped products. Please like and subscribe to our brand new channel. what I would like to know from you guys is, have you used any product hunting tools before? For example, Pexda, Niche Scraper, Ecom Hunt. If you comment with the name of the tool and your experience using it, that would be great. If you haven't, comment never use. I'm Joe from WHR Marketing. See you next time.